Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. We have a radical question in front of us. First, we are going to get rid of a radical symbol. Then, we are going to solve for x. At last, we are going to test our solution if we have any extraneous solution. Let's directly go and remove the square root symbol. We'll start by squaring both sides. We are going to square both sides. This will give us x is equal to x squared is equal to x plus 6. I will bring x and 6 to the left hand side, and then I'll equate equal to 0. X squared minus x minus 6, this is equal to 0. I'm going to factorize by splitting the middle term. 6 is the same as 3 multiplied by 2, but 3 is going to be negative. Negative 3 multiplied by 2, we get negative 6. X squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, this is equal to 0. We are going to factorize. I'm going to factor out x. I'll remain with x minus 3. We'll factor out 2. Here we're going to remain with x minus 3. This is equal to 0. Now we get our factors, which are x plus 2 and x minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now x plus 2 equal to 0, which gives us x is equal to negative 2, and x minus 3 is equal to 0, which gives us x is equal to 3. Now we are going to substitute our solutions to our radical question to see if we have any extraneous solution. Let's start to check by our first solution, x is equal to 3. We will substitute it into our radical question. 3 is equal to 3 plus 6. Is this true? 3 is equal to 3 plus 6, we get 9. So we have a square root of 9. Is this true? 3 is equal to square root of 9 is 3. That is true. So x is equal to 3 is our solution. Now let's check for our second solution. X is equal to minus 2. Let's substitute to our radical equation if it's a solution. Negative 2 is equal to, substitute x equal to negative 2. It's going to be negative 2 plus 6. Here, negative 2 is equal to negative 2 plus 6. We are going to get positive 4. So square root of 4, is this correct? Square root of 4, it is 2. Negative 2 is not equal to 2. This is not correct. X is equal to negative 2 is extraneous solution. Hope you understand the question. We start by get rid of square root symbol. Then we solve for x. We get two solutions. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2. Then we test our solutions if we have any extraneous solution. We got 2 is extraneous solution, and only one solution, which is x is equal to 3. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye. Bye.